With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so in this question it is given the compressibility of a factor of a gas is less than unity at standard temperature pressure. Therefore, which of the following equation will be satisfied? So basically the compressibility factor is given as Z, which is equals to P V, the molar volume, by nRT. So in our question it is given that it is less than 1, that is our compressibility factor is given less than 1 at a standard temperature pressure. So at a standard temperature pressure, the value of pressure is 1 atm, the value of R is 0.0821 atm liter per Kelvin, and the value of temperature is 273 Kelvin. So this is the value of pressure, temperature, and universal gas constant value at STP. Now, by this inequality you can see here, if we have this, you can write it as PVM is less than nRT, because I have shifted this nRT to that side of the inequality. Like what I'm trying to say is that I can write it more clearly, that here PVM by nRT is less than 1. So our PVM will less than n times RT. Now put the values of the standard temperature pressure, that is pressure is 1 atm, we have Vm as it is, we have 1 mole given, and we have 0.0821 value of universal gas constant, and we have a temperature of 273. So by solving this we get Vm less than 22.4 liters. So this is the condition. This inequality will be satisfied at when compressibility factor is less than 1, that is our Vm is less than 22.4 liter at STP. So if you check at the option here, option B is our correct one, which states that Vm is less than 22.4, and how it is coming I have shown you. I hope you got the concept.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.